Imagine waking up one morning and your job is gone. Not because the economy crashed, not because your company failed, but because a machine, a piece of code, learned to do your job better than you, overnight. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now, in America, in your city, maybe even in your office. In 2023, ChatGPT reached 100 million users in just 60 days, faster than any technology in human history, faster than the iPhone, faster than the internet itself. Today, AI writes legal documents, diagnoses cancer, drives trucks, composes music, and even creates Hollywood movies. Goldman Sachs reported that AI could replace up to 300 million jobs globally. In the United States alone, lawyers, accountants, writers, programmers, nobody is truly safe. But here's where it gets disturbing. In 2023, Geoffrey Hinton, the man called the Godfather of AI, resigned from Google. His reason? He was scared of what he helped create. He said, and I quote, "These things could get more intelligent than us and could decide to take control." Then in 2024, Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and over 1,000 tech leaders signed an open letter demanding a pause on AI development. They called it a risk to humanity itself. Think about that. The same people who built these systems are now afraid of them. So, what exactly are they afraid of? 3 things keep AI experts up at night. Number 1, deepfakes. AI can now clone anyone's face and voice in minutes. Political figures, celebrities, even your family members. In the 2024 US elections, thousands of fake AI videos spread across social media. Voters couldn't tell what was real. Number 2, autonomous weapons. The Pentagon is already testing AI-powered drones that can identify and eliminate targets without human approval. Machines making life and death decisions alone. Number 3, surveillance. In China, AI already monitors over 1 billion citizens through facial recognition. But America isn't far behind. Your phone, your laptop, your smart TV, they're all watching, learning, recording. But here's the other side of the story. AI is also saving lives. It's detecting breast cancer 11 times faster than human doctors. It's predicting natural disasters before they strike. It's helping children with autism communicate for the first time. The question isn't whether AI is good or evil. The question is, and who controls it? Right now, the answer is a handful of billionaires and corporations. No government oversight, no global rules, no accountability. And that is the most dangerous part of all. We are standing at the most important crossroads in human history. The decisions made in the next 5 years will determine whether AI becomes humanity's greatest tool or its final mistake. The real question is, are we paying attention before it's too late? If this video made you think, share it, because the conversation needs to start now. Subscribe for more documentaries that expose the truth behind the stories shaping our world.